friends, in the first episode of mini-series on dinosaur, we shall know how an asteroid changed the face of the earth by wreaking havoc on millions of animals and plants. So stay with us throughout the video and know all those things which you should know. Scientists were discovering fossils of dinosaurs around the globe since the beginning of 19th century. They were not only astonished by the evolution of these gigantic creatures, but they were also puzzled by their sudden disappearance. In the early decades of 20th century, there were many theories and hypotheses prevalent to explain the sudden disappearance. But when Luis Alvarez, Walter Alvarez, and his team investigated the sedimentary rocks from around the time of dinosaurs' extinction, they discovered large concentration of iridium in these rocks. This high concentration of iridium was observed from sedimentary rocks throughout the globe. Iridium is one of the rarest metals which are present in very small amount on Earth. Mostly, it is used in the manufacturing of electrical and electronic equipments. After seeing this huge amount of iridium in sedimentary rocks, the team predicted that this much amount of iridium can only come from asteroid, because the concentration of iridium is about 50 times more in asteroid than on Earth. After examining the total quantity of iridium, the team also predicted that the size of crater to be around 150 kilometers. But the crater of this size had not been discovered yet. Later, with the help of satellites and other scientific methods, a crater was discovered near Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico, where an asteroid collided with Earth around 65 million years ago. Asteroids are the rocks which had been left over after the formation of planets. These asteroids revolve in their orbits around the Sun, but sometimes their orbit matches the orbit of the Earth and they start their journey towards Earth. Most of the asteroids are small in size and they turn to burn down before reaching the surface of the Earth. These asteroids are known as shooting stars. Some asteroids are really big in size and they do not burn down completely, and these asteroids can wreak havoc on Earth. The asteroid, which was coming towards Earth around 65 million years ago, was a big asteroid with a length of about 10 to 15 kilometers. When this huge asteroid impacted the Earth, it released the energy which was equivalent to 100 million tons of TNT. This energy is about 1 billion times of the energy that was released during the atomic bomb explosions in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. This huge amount of energy led to total decimation of every living organism within the radius of few thousand kilometers. Thousands of pieces of rocks were thrown into the air by this impact, and these rocks later rained as spheres of glass. This impact also created a tsunami wave which was about 100 meters high. This tsunami wave killed millions of animals and plants on the coast around the globe. This impact also caused many earthquakes and it activated thousands of volcanoes around the world. Ashes and sulfur dioxide from these volcanoes and dust from the asteroid impact remained suspended in the atmosphere for few years. It led to acid rain, less sunlight, global winters, and climate change. Due to these rapid changes, it became really difficult for plants to survive. Destruction of plants led to death of herbivorous dinosaurs and animals, which further led to death of carnivorous dinosaurs. When the Earth returned to normalcy, about 20% of fish species, 60% of plant species, and 98% of coral species were extinct. In total, about 50 to 70% species were decimated by this event. So according to Alvarez's hypothesis, a single asteroid was responsible for the disappearance of dinosaurs from the Earth. But all scientists do not agree with this theory. Some hold events which occurred in India responsible for the extinction of dinosaurs. And some new discoveries in recent years also support this idea. We shall know more about this in our next video. Do you agree with Alvarez's hypothesis? And do you know more about the role of India in extinction of dinosaurs? Tell us in the comment box. And for more such interesting videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.